Yaipere. Hujik akoigi Malem Nickpa Panthoibi Ibana Cheng Kheiba Haibadi earthquake. Earthquake se thoktringegi mamangda aina tha khudingi mathang sum Laothokpagi Macha chatarbo aina hujik akoigi Lagliba Inga tha Haibadi Jun tha sigi Malem Niklakkadaba akoigi adugumba Cheichat date tarikh singaju ai Mangjounana jik khanganba haujarage yaji pathokjarage section 1 viewer Malem Niklakkadaba Mangjounana khanganba earthquake prediction ngasi Maliyaphan PALCHA KUMSING lising ahumga samri kungani thoigi saliba Jun tha PALCHA lising ahumga samri kungani thoi so lising ani gi kunmari gi Jun tha asigi Malem Nickpa Haibadi Panthoibi Cheng Kheiba Leipak Niklakkadaba Yaba earthquake prediction Macha Masu Kitang Chaokhapa Mayai Oiba Achoubanachingba Nickadaba Thoklakkadaba Thokkangadaba Cheichat date sing adudi Jun Thagi Cheichat date tarikh tang manga tang taruk haibadi Cheichat manga Cheichat taruk Cheichat nipan Cheichat mapan Cheichat taraga mari Cheichat taraga manga Cheichat taraga taruk tang tratet Cheichat taraga nipan date 19 Cheichat kun gamathoi Cheichat kun gamari tang kun gamanga tang kun taruk Cheichat kunthra date kunthra tang kunthra haiba aina Laotholiba masigi Cheichat date tarikh singasi Jun thagi aina hairiba Cheichat date tang asina singba ni hariba Jun thagi Cheichat date sing asida kitang sum section bigani section lo Leipak ki kanglisa miyam purmangna ningsinglo khamjil horo amati atai malem gi lam all world country singdasu aina Mangjounana Laotholiba date sing asida anambana Malem Nickpa earthquake thokani Malem Nickpa Malem ni Oidaba atai date singdi haijaki hung jening pipa Malem laikoi pung santhong hangni amai chau aina Haidaba-Pndaba idaba Laothokpa pidaba sahi lising hong samri kungani thoi so lising ani ge kungamari asigi Jun thagi Cheichat date singda lemhoriba Cheichat date sing asida tang singda amata Jun thagi oina Malem Leipak sungnik nikloi earthquake thoi aina Jun thagi Mangjounana Laothokpa Cheichat date singda Malem Nickpa natana Panthoibi Cheng Kheiba natana earthquake prediction Leipak adigi Tekhau Assam Brahma Nagaland na chingba India na chingba aduga all world country ki malengi mafum khudingmakta state district singdasu aina Laotholiba matam sing asida namna Malem Nickani earthquake thokkangani Laotholiba Malem Nickpa Niklakpa Yabagi date singi manung chali chinigo ara saida hujiji era Laotholiba date singje masigi date sing asida anambana Malem Nickpa earthquake thokpa Panthoibi Cheng Kheiba haibasi Jun thagi inga thagi manung asida thokkane masini ko sida tarikh date pin singje ana earthquake prediction of Maliyaphan PALCHA KUMSING 3422 June 2024 some important dates are given here of June 2024 earthquake prediction dates are given here 5 6 8 9 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 24 25 26 30 extra these given dates of June 2024 PALCHA KUMSING purest midday year 3422 will be take care with all world countries, states and districts also. Yes, I do mention what are very important dates of earthquakes prediction of June 2024. So everybody take care what I did given earthquake prediction that's of June 2024. So many countries, states and districts also will be including such June affected announcing earthquake prediction of June 2024. Okay, therefore we do take care which I given earthquake prediction dates of June 2024 before occur earthquake. Okay, therefore don't forget, this is the very important message in this world for my side prediction of earthquake. Okay, thank you. Masi kana kumuna ay ayaba yaudana masi earthquake Malem Nickpagi hana Mangjounana Laothokpa masi akoigi mi amade thajanba khosanba akoigi santokpa kedauba pau chedo haptokpa kedauba masi yade karigumba madu torombo itaragadi madu akoigi madu athingba lei madu tawdabana phai natrabadi ma shoidana laigi thaktagi awaba khudongthiba nangani. Please don't copy and send without my permission to any others. If that you may be fine, do regret suddenly your life from God surely 100%. Okay.